video, I will discuss about the complex variable which is asked in GATE 2014 to GATE 2016 question. Now let's start the first question. C is a closed path in Z plane given by mod Z is equal to 3. The value of the integral closed integral Z square minus Z plus 4J upon Z plus 2J dz is. We have to find out the integration. Okay, given that mod Z is equal to 3, it means it is given 3 radius circle and here poles is in given question pole is at minus 2j. So 2j will be inside the circle. 2j will be inside the circle anywhere minus 2j. It means it will be anywhere here. Okay. So we 2j here. So we can find out the Cauchy integral formula from the Cauchy integral formula from Cauchy integral formula. We can say that integration z square minus 2z sorry z square minus z plus 4j upon z plus 2j is equal to 2 pi j limit z minus 2j. Okay, and it will be z square minus 2 minus z plus 4j. Okay, so solve it. 2 pi j, and when you put the minus 2z in the place of z, then what will happen? 4 into z square minus plus 2j plus 4j. So it will be 2 pi j 4j 6j. So it is 2 plus 4 6j minus 4. Okay, so we can say that minus take the j inside and 2 common. So what will happen? 4 pi and 3j square minus 3 and uh, minus 2j. So we can say that minus 4 pi 2 plus 2j plus 3. So minus 4 2j plus 3. Option C will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. A real part of an analytical function fz where z is equal to x plus jy is given by e to power minus y cos x. E to power minus y cos x, the imaginary part of fz is. We have to find out the imaginary part. Solution. We know that z is equal to x plus jy. Okay, and function as z is equal to u plus jv. Yeah, iv we can say that. So u is given. U is given e to the minus y cos x. Okay, so for from analytical function we know that del u upon del x is equal to del v upon del y. So first of all we have to differentiate it this one, and after that compare with del v upon del y. So del sorry del u upon del x is equal to del u upon del x is equal to what will happen? So what will happen? Uh, in terms of x, when you differentiate it, then e to power minus y, it will be the constant, and cos x will be minus sin x. Okay, so now compare with the equation 1. Then what will happen? Minus sin x e to minus y is equal to del v upon del y. Now integrate it in terms of y. Then what will happen? V is equal to v is equal to sin x will be the constant minus sin x and e to minus y upon minus 1. This one cancel out. So sin x or e to minus 1 will be the right answer. So e to power minus y sin x, option B will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. Let z is equal to x plus jy be a complex variable. Consider that contour integration is performed along the unit circle in anti-clockwise direction. Which one of the following statement is not true? The residual of z upon z square minus 1 at z1 is half. So we have to check it all the things. So close integration, z square dz is equal to 0, 2 pi z or 1, mod z complex level not. So solution comes to here, fz is given, z is equal to something. Consider that contour integration is performed along the unit circle anti-clockwise direction, which is the following step. So then fz is equal to again anti-clockwise direction, fz is equal to mod z x minus iy. Okay, so u is equal to x or v is equal to minus y. So ux is equal to 1 or vx is equal to 0, uy is equal to or uy is equal to 0, vy is equal to minus 1. So ux not equal to vy, that is CR because it is not satisfied, and mod z is not analyzed. For all the option D will be the right answer, or for all the options check it, and we can find out. And for all the options, for this one, I'm doing option A only, okay, and do it all the things. So residual of Z, Z upon Z square minus 1. So it will be Z, Z minus 1 and Z plus 1. We have to find out the residue at Z is equal to 1. It means we have to multiply residue Z is equal to Z is equal to plus 1. Okay, Z is equal to plus 1. Then we have to multiply with the Z minus 1. So Z upon Z minus 1 or Z plus 1 multiply Z minus 1 or limit z tends to 1. So this one cancel out, this one cancel out, and then it will be 1 by 2. In similar fashion, mod close integration z square dz is equal to 0. And why it will be the 0? Because here poles are 0, poles are 0, and there is no poles, and when you put the value z equal to 0, then it will be the 0 integration. And for the 1 by z, here poles at 0, poles at 0, but numerator part is 1. When you take the integration, so 2 pi j multiplication of residue of this function. So 2 pi z, and when you take the multiplication of this function, it will becomes 1. So so option is statement is not true. So we have to find out not true. Not true is this one. This one is given the analytical, but it will be not analytical. Okay. Now comes to next question. Let fz is equal to az plus b upon cz plus d. If fz1, fz2 for all z1 not equal to z2, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 5, then d is equal to should be equal to. We have to find out the solution. Fz given az plus b upon cz plus d. It is given already. Okay. Now f z1 equal to fz2 for all z1 z1 not equal to z2. Okay, for different fz1 is equal to a z1 plus b and c z1 plus d. Okay, and f z2 will be a z2 plus b upon c z2 plus d. Okay, we have to equate it. Then what will happen? A z1 plus b upon c z1 plus d a z2 plus b c z2 plus d. Okay, so a z1 plus b c z2 plus d a z2 plus b c z1 plus d. So after multiplication and a c z1 z2 plus b c z2 plus a d z1, okay, and b d and AC Z1 Z2 plus plus BC Z1 plus AD Z2 and BD. So okay, so show AC Z1 Z2 here AC Z2 cancel out, BD cancel out. Now check it here BC Z2, okay, and take it one side BC Z2 minus Z1 is equal to and AD this side AD Z2 minus Z1. So we can say that this one cancel out and BC is equal to AD. So what will happen? D is equal to BC upon A. BC upon A, B is given 4, C is given 5 and A is equal to 2. 4 into 5 upon 2 means 10. Option, we have to fill in the blank. Option 10. Okay. Now come to next question. If C denotes the counterclockwise unit circle, the value of contour integral uh, 1 upon 2 pi j integration real z dz is. So real z is equal to nothing but z plus mod z upon 2. Okay. Since there is no poles inside unit circle, so residual at poles is 0. Since there is no pole inside unit circle, unit circle, so residue at poles is 0. So residue residue at poles at poles is 0. Okay, so integration of 1 upon 2 pi j real of z dz will be 0. Okay, now comes to next question. If C is a circle of radius r with center z0 in the complex z plane, and if n is a non-zero integral, then integration dz upon z minus z naught n plus 1 equal to solution. We have to find out the integration dz upon z minus z0 upon n plus 1. Okay, and we have to find out this one. So according to Cauchy integral formula by Cauchy integral formula, integration f z upon z minus z naught n plus 1 will be 2 pi I f star z0 upon factorial n. Okay, so so from here from here above is given 1. Okay, and question is, see the circle of radius r with center z0. Center is z0. Okay, the complex z plane if n center is z0, the complex z plane of n and non-zero integral, then so it will be 2 pi I real n into this one is the residue part will be 0 and it will be the okay. Now comes to next question. In the following integrals, the contour C enclose the points 2 pi z and minus 2 pi z. Okay, 2 pi z and minus 2 pi z. Show integration, the value of integral we have to find out which integral minus 1 upon 2 pi upon close interval sin z upon z minus 2 pi j q b. This one is the inside circle. It's mentioned. Okay, we have to find out integration. I equal to minus 1 upon 2 pi into 2 pi I f double dash 2 pi here will be n. Okay, up to n times differentiation. So here is the 1 from the equation is the 1, here is the 1, nothing is 1, so that's why after integration it will be the 0. Okay, because the constant term is given. So double differentiation of 2 pi j and factorial 2. So 2 pi cancel out, minus I upon factorial 2, and we have to find out f double dash 2 pi j, yeah I. So fz is given, fz is given sin z. Okay, so f dash z will be cos z and f dash double z will be minus sin z. Okay, and okay, this one put in above equation. So I is equal to minus I by factorial 2 and minus sin 2 pi j. Okay, so I in multiplication of this one it will become the hyperbola and sin h 2 pi upon factorial 2 and this becomes 133.87. Now comes to next question. Consider the complex value function fz is equal to 2zq plus bz mod zq, where z is complex variable, the value of v for which the function fz is analytic is given. Okay, fz is nothing but 2z cube plus b1 mod z cube. Okay, given that fz is analytical, fz is analytic, okay, which is possible only when v equal to 0. Since mod z dot q is differentiable at origin but not analytical. So mod 2zq is analytical everywhere, and so fz is analytical only when v is equal to 0. Is analytical, so fz is equal to 2zq plus b mod zq is analytic only when v is equal to 0. The value of the integral 1 upon 2 pi j e to power j upon z minus 2 dz along the closed loop contour C anticlockwise direction for the point z is equal to 2 inside the contour, the point z is equal to 2 outside the contour C. So when point z is equal to 2 outside the contour, it will be the 0. Okay, so 0 is, so option A and B. Answer will be in option between A and B. Okay, but when inside the contour, then what will happen? 2 pi j cancel, e to power 2. E to power 2 means e square. Answer will be e square, and e square value will be 7.39. Solve it. First condition, in z naught equal to 2. So here is given 1 upon 2 pi j is equal to integration e z upon z minus 2. dz will be nothing but uh, residual of this function. So at z is equal to limit z is equal to 2 and e to power 2, so around 7.39. Okay, so 7.39, and b is option is equal to 2 outside the circle, outside the circle, then it will be 0. Okay. Now comes to next question. For fz is equal to sin z by z square, then residue of poles 8 pole 8 z is equal to 0 is fz given that sin z upon z square. Okay, so residue of z square. So coefficient of 1 by z minus z by real 3 plus z cube by factorial 5. So option answer will be 1. So residual will be option 1. Okay. Thank you for watching. Next video I will upload complex variable question after 2016.